Hi, I'm Defragmenter, and I'm going to show you an awesome knot called the Pratt knot. Now, a little personal disclaimer up front. I love this knot, and in a few moments you're going to see why. It was made famous by Don Shelby, the American news anchor, but it was actually created by a guy called Jerry Pratt. So let's get into it. Start with your tie turned inside out. You want the seam to be facing outwards. For most people, your starting position should look like this. If you've got a neck like Dwayne Johnson, then you might need to experiment a little. Take both ends and cross them over. The thin end goes on top. Now take the wide end and thread it down through this gap in front of your collar button. Grab it from underneath and bring it all the way down. Next, take the wide end and bring it across the front, horizontally. Swap hands. Now take your forefinger and put it underneath, like this. This will help make the finishing knot that little bit easier to do, as you'll see in a few moments. Take the wide end and thread it around the back and underneath. Bring it up through the gap in front of your collar button and thread it all the way through. So, as you can see, your forefinger has created a loop. What you need to do is take the wide end and thread it down through that loop. Hold the narrow end and slide the knot up, adjusting it as you go. And what you end up with is a nice, crisp, symmetrical knot. One of the sharpest looking knots around. If you want to turn heads and stand out from the crowd, you're going to want to check out this tie knot right here. Click the video on screen now, and I'll see you over there. Thanks for watching.